Jaylynn and welcome back for another video. So today I am going to be talking about my Curology routine, and I'm going to show you guys my morning and nighttime skincare regimen. So let's get started. I'm starting off with the cleanser. I just wet my face beforehand, and I just do a little dot of the cleanser. You do not need a lot. That's a good amount. And then you guys, I'm gonna just massage that into my face and really get in there. Just give yourself like a mini facial. So while I keep that on my face, I'm going to just continue my morning. So I'm going to just brush my teeth. So I usually let my facial cleanser stay on my skin for about a minute or minute and a half, just until I'm finished with brushing my teeth and doing mouthwash and everything. So now I'm just taking off the cleanser, rinsing my face, and now I'm going to pat my face dry. Just a note, you should use paper towel to dry your face off, because I heard regular towels have bacteria, but that's okay, I didn't have any. But now I'm going to use my moisturizer. I actually picked up the cleanser by accident, so I'm going to realize that and get the right one. So now I just have a little dime or nickel size of the moisturizer. You do not need a lot. And I'm going to go in with my Black Girl sunscreen. It is the morning time, so Black people need their sunscreen, and just get a little bit of that. The sunscreen is kind of oily, so you do not need a lot of that at all. It's actually a moisturizer also. So I kind of just put them together and put it all over my face and really get that in there. There is going to be a slight whitish tint on my face, but that's going to go away. It's going to seep in your skin, so don't worry about that. So now this is my nighttime routine, and yeah, it was so late. I was tired. But I needed to record this for you guys, so I am starting off with the cleanser again. I am just rinsing my face with water, getting a little dime size, and going to massage that into my skin. Okay, so now I have this on my face. I usually do leave it on for a minute, but I was so tired, so I'm gonna just rinse it off immediately. So now I'm going to apply the medication. I do about 3 pumps of that. I will insert the ingredients in the description box, and I will also list the video above about why I started Curology in the first place and my before and after. But right now I am just massaging that all up into my face, making sure it's all over, and make sure you get your neck and everything. Anywhere where you think pimples pop up at. So get that in there. And now I'm going to go with my moisturizer. I'm going to put that directly on top of it. So there you guys have it. This is my full morning and nighttime routine using Curology. The skin is popping. Do not forget to like my video and subscribe. And if you have any questions, do not be afraid to comment below. But that's it. I'll see you next time. Bye.